opening morning, April 4th, 2020. We've been cooped up in the house because of this virus that's going around, COVID-19, and we've been looking forward to turkey season open up so we can get out here in the woods, get outside, enjoy nature, and chase some birds. This morning we got on 3 toms. We had 4 gobbling. We got on 3, as you saw in the video, and the hens that were with those, we actually called the hens in around 7:30 or so, and they worked their way on out to the field. And those toms came around the backside and hooked up with them, and we actually watched a tom breed a hen, but we couldn't get the toms off of them. They were locked on those hens, so we didn't get a shot at those. And we actually got on a different bird around 11:30, and he had 4 or 5 hens with him and 4 jakes, and I couldn't get a shot at the tom. Could have shot the jakes, but that's not what we were after. But this afternoon, me and Dad came out here and to a different farm, family farm, and we just stuck my jake decoy out and started calling, and we had 2 gobble, probably 100, 150 yards on down the bottom, and I just kept calling, and they just seemed like they kept getting closer, so we went and set up on the tree line, and probably took a total of 10, 15 minutes. They worked their way. I kept calling, and they were just lighting it up by themselves. And when they hit this field, they saw my decoy, and they came running. I know the footage is a little shaky, but we were trying to make sure we got one down, but you can see the bird. The bird's kind of running up and going down, but they sprinted all the way across the field. It was really cool. But I got this one. It's a beautiful morning, beautiful afternoon. It's hot right now. I'm sweating, but it's been a good hunt. It's been fun. We're gonna try to get some more birds down before the season ends, get some better footage. I know this footage was a little shaky, but we weren't expecting this. But hope y'all enjoyed the hunt. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get some more turkeys down before the season ends. Sir, let's get it. Give me some. What I tell you, that's probably the same 3. Smoked first turkey. Let's go get it. dead. You could tell which one had the long beard, couldn't you?
Huh?
You could tell which one. The other two were Jake's. Yes, sir. What time is it? What time is it? It's gotta be 6:30, 6:45 probably. 6:35, bird on the ground. Sun's just now coming up over the decoys. Let's go.
It's April 10th, 2020. It's about 6:40 a.m. I just got my first tom. We're here on the family farm in Tennessee. We knew there would be some here. My brother had been down here a couple weeks ago and seen some, and we only heard one gobble on the roost, but pretty good morning. Had 3 running in pretty quickly, and I took the biggest one.
So it's been the first week of the Tennessee 2020 turkey season, and so far we've got 2 birds down. We're gonna keep after it, try to get 2 or 3 more down. We were supposed to go to Georgia and hunt with some buddies on a farm down in Georgia, but it's not looking like we're gonna get to go due to the COVID-19. We're stuck here in Tennessee, but we're just glad that hunting is considered essential. So we're gonna stay after it here. But I got mine opening weekend, and my brother just got his this morning. We're headed home, but y'all stay tuned. We're gonna try to get some more footage for y'all, so like and subscribe. We're gonna get some more footage.